Welcome back to our YouTube channel Student Homeopathy. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. Today's our medicine is Calcarea sulfurica. Its common name is sulfate of lime or plaster of Paris. Calcarea sulfurica is present in the connective tissues and, according to Schussler, acts chiefly on this part. Being thus valuable in suppuration, it is in the later process that is chiefly employed. It closely resembles to the hepar sulf, but according to the herring, has a wider sphere and act with more intensity. It is not so useful in promoting suppuration in the earlier stages, but it is better than hepar in promoting and controlling the suppuration after the pus has found a vein and is discharging. It thus seems to occupy a sphere midway between hepar and salacia, though perhaps more closely resembling the former. According to the biochemical data, it cures purulent discharges from a mucous membrane and purulent exudation in serous sac, as well as tubercular ulcer or abscess of the intestine and ulcer of the cornea, etc. The drug is certainly very useful in purulent catarrh, an important characteristic being that all mucous discharges are yellow, thick, and lumpy. It recommended for the cystic and fibroid tumor, torpid glandular swelling, and eczema. Other conditions in which it has proven curative are detailed under the symptoms as below, most of which are purely clinical. Mind symptoms. Patient is absent-minded, irritable, and easily angered. He becomes weak after anger and vexation, aversion to answering questions. He is easily made anxious, especially in evening into the bed, during the night and when lying, anxiety with fear during fever, anxiety about the future, anxious about his heart and his health. In general, his anxiety is ameliorated into the open air. He has anxiety about his salvation. He has anxiety in the morning on waking, many changeable moods and capriciousness, aversion to company, confusion of the mind in the morning, on waking, and again in the evening. This is also ameliorated into the open air, confusion of mind from mental exertion, contrary and contradictory moods. He has many little delusions, whims, and strange fancies, frightful images in the night when trying to sleep, has a vision, great despair of recovery during the heat, craves stimulant to overcome his tremulous weakness. He is discontented all time, at sluggishness of the mind, continuously in a state of apprehension, fear of death, fear that some evil will befall him, fear of insanity, and fear of misfortune. And this come on at night, forgetful, full of hatred of people who do not agree with him, always in a hurry, hysterical, impatient, feeble-minded, even to imbecility, indifferent as to his surrounding, and irresolution. Extreme irritability in the evening, irritable after question, lamenting because he is not duly appreciated, loathing of life, malicious. This remedy is especially useful in broken down constitutions from drunkenness. Weakness of mind, of memory, and of body. Some of the mental states that are aggravated in the morning with sadness, on waking become mirthful in the evening. Even to hilarity, he stumble in speaking and misplace the words. Changeable moods, morose, obstinate, easily offended or insulted, prostration of mind, quarrelsome, and restlessness. Mental depression in the morning, with mirthfulness in the evening, sadness during perspiration, dullness of the senses, sits and meditates over imaginary misfortune, does not want to be talked to, easily startled, stupefaction, suspicion, suspicious, indisposed to talk, tormenting persistent thoughts, while busily engaged thinking his thought vanish, becomes timid, bashful, and apprehensive, and in his conversation is extremely wearisome, weeping during perspiration, an aversion to mental and physical work, real indolence. Head symptom shows scalded head of the children. If there be purulent discharge or yellow, purulent crust also occurs. Eye symptoms: inflammation of eyes with discharge of thick yellow matter. Sees only one half of an object. Cornea smoky, ophthalmia neonatal. Ear symptoms: deafness with discharge of matter from a middle ear, sometimes mixed with blood, pimples around the ear. Nose symptom shows cold in the head with thick yellowish purulent secretion, frequently tinged with blood. One-sided discharge from the nose, yellowish discharge from the posterior narals, edges of the nostril is sore. On the face there is pimple, pustules and herpes eruptions. In mouth, inside of lips are sore. Tongue is flabby, resembling a layer of dried clay. Sour, soapy, acrid taste. Yellow coating at the base. Throat symptom shows last stage of ulcerated sore throat with discharge of yellow matter. Suppurating stage of tonsillitis when abscess is discharging. Abdominal symptoms: pain in a region of liver in right side of pelvis, followed by weakness, nausea and pain in the stomach. Stool of the patient: purulent diarrhea mixed with the blood, diarrhea after maple sugar and from change in the weather, pus-like slimy discharge from the bowel, painful abscess about the anus in cases of fistula. In female, menses are late, long-lasting with headache, twitching, great weakness. Respiratory system shows cough with purulent and sanous sputa and hectic fever, emphysema, pus forming in the lungs or pleural cavities, purulent sanous expectoration, catarrh with thick, lumpy, white, yellow or pus-like secretion. In extremities, there is burning, itching of sole of the feet. Fever is hectic, caused by formation of pus with cough and burning in the sole. Skin shows cut, wounds, bruises, etc. Unhealthy discharging pus. They do not heal readily. Yellow purulent crust or discharge. Purulent exudation in or upon the skin. Skin affections with yellow scab. Many little matterless pimples under the hair. Bleeding when scratched and dry eczema in the children. Thank you for watching our video. If you love this video, please like it and share it.